If you want to speed up a video in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you the fastest way to increase video speed, how to keep your audio from sounding squeaky or distorted. This is a super useful edit, whether you're making short-form content, tutorials, montages, or just trying to make your video flow a little better. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your project in CapCut and go to the timeline. The very first thing you need to do is select the clip you want to speed up. Just click directly on the video clip so it becomes highlighted. Once it's selected, CapCut will show the editing controls for that clip, including speed options. Now, if you want to speed up the entire clip, this part is very simple. But if you only want to speed up a specific section of the video, there's an extra step you need to do first. Move the playhead to the exact point where you want the speed up section to begin. Then press Ctrl+B to split the clip. After that, move the playhead to the point where you want that section to end, and press Ctrl+B again. This isolates just that middle segment, so you can adjust the speed of only that part without affecting the rest of your video. Once your clip or segment is selected, look at the top right inspector panel. This is where CapCut stores most of the clip settings. Find the Speed tab and click on it. When you open the Speed section, you'll see a few different options, but for most people, the standard speed mode is the easiest and most direct way to go. Under the Standard subtab, you'll see a times or X slider. This controls how fast your video plays. If you drag the slider to the right, your video will become faster. For example, 2.0 times will make it play twice as fast, while 5.0 times will make it much quicker. If you want more precision, you can also double-click the number field next to the slider and type in your exact speed manually. CapCut supports very high-speed values, so if you need a dramatic fast-forward effect, you can push it much further. As you adjust the speed, keep an eye on how the clip feels. A small increase can make a scene more dynamic, while a bigger increase can help you cut out dead time and keep viewers engaged. If you're making YouTube, shorts, reels, or fast-paced edits, speeding up the clip can make your content feel much tighter and more professional. Now here's a really important step that a lot of people forget. When you speed up a video, the original audio speeds up too. That often makes voices sound high-pitched, squeaky, or unnatural. To fix that, look just beneath the speed slider and find the Change Pitch option. Uncheck that box if you do not want the audio pitch to rise with the speed change. This helps keep the audio more usable and prevents that chipmunk effect that can make your edit sound bad. If you do want the audio to stay with a sped-up clip but sound smoother, this option is the one you need to pay attention to. For many edits, turning off pitch change gives you a cleaner result, especially if you plan to add background music or voiceover later. It's a small setting, but it makes a huge difference in the final quality of your video. After that, just review your clip on the timeline and make sure the speed looks right. Play it back, listen to the audio, and confirm that the section you adjusted feels natural for your project. If it needs to be faster or slower, just click the clip again and fine-tune the multiplier until it looks perfect. And that's it. You've now learned how to speed up a video in CapCut, how to isolate just one section of a clip, and how to prevent squeaky audio by turning off pitch change. This is one of those editing skills that will save you a lot of time and help you make cleaner, more engaging videos. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut guides, editing tips, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.